Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Renden Saputra from PBI 6C. Background of the study. Reading is an important skill for students to understand or use subject in school. However, many students struggle with reading, which hinders their ability to understand the material and achieve good academic performance. Reading is important but difficult. Reading is the foundation for many aspects to learning. However, many students struggle with reading due to lack of motivation. Traditional methods are boring. Traditional reading instruction methods are often boring and ineffective. Students like digital instruction. Students today prefer interacting with digital technology. They prefer learning through digital media because it's more and interactive. Making reading fun. Making reading fun is the key to improving student reading skill by using innovative and interactive teaching methods. Students can become more motivated to read and develop good reading skill. Problem statement 1. Low reading comprehension. Students struggle to grasp the meaning and nature of text, leading to a slow understanding of the material. This deficiency and have far-reaching consequences, impacting their academic performance and ability to engage with complex ideas. 2. Lack of motivation and engagement. Many students exhibit a lack of enthusiasm and interest in reading, often due to uninspiring instructional methods or a dearth of relevant and text. This disengagement can lead to a vicious circle of disinterest and underachievement. 3. Minimal use of digital media. The reading curriculum often relies heavily on traditional teaching methods, neglecting the potential of digital media to enhancing the reading experience. By failing to harness the power of technology, educators miss opportunities to create immersive, interactive, and personalized learning environments that can foster a deeper love of reading. Addressing these challenges requires a motivated approach that incorporates innovative instructional strategies and cutting-edge digital tools. By doing so, educators can create a more effective and enjoyable reading experience that prepares students for success in an increasingly complex and interconnected world. Objective of the research 1. Improve reading comprehension with digital tools. To investigate the effectiveness of digital tools in enhancing students' reading comprehension skills, and to explore how technology can be leveraged to provide personalized and interactive reading experience that cater to diverse learning needs. 2. Encourage motivation and participation. To design and implement strategies that foster a love of reading and increase student motivation and participation in reading activities, creating a more and inclusive reading environment. 3. Provide innovative strategies for teachers to develop and disseminate innovative teaching strategies and best practice that interact digital tools and technology, enhancing learning approaches, empowering teachers to create dynamic and effective reading interaction. Theoretical framework. 1. Constructivism. Constructivist theory teaches that learning constructs their own knowledge and meaning through active adjustment with their environment. Of cognitive development provide foundation for understanding how students learn and construct knowledge through social interaction and hands-on experience. 2. Dual coding theory. Dual coding theory suggests that information is processed through two separate channels, verbal and visual. This theory supports the use of multimedia and digital tools in learning as they can engage both challenge and enhance relation and recall. 3. Multimedia learning theory. Myers multimedia learning theory provides the framework for designing effective multimedia learning environments. The theory emphasizes the importance of aligning visual and auditory elements, managing cognitive load, and promoting active learning. 4. Prior research supports digital media use. A growing body of research supports the effectiveness of digital media in enhancing student learning outcomes, particularly in learning education. Students have shown that digital tools can increase student engagement, motivation, and achievement, and provide opportunities of personalized and differentiated interaction. Research methodology. 1. Design. The research design used is classroom action research, which exemplifies a cyclical process of planning, action, observation, and reflection. 2. Participation. The participants in this study are students at SMK Negeri 1 Stabat. This sample is chosen to explore the effectiveness of digital media in reading education in a specific context. 3. Tools. Observation to monitor student behavior, assessment, and participation in reading activities. Tests to assess a student's reading comprehension before and after the intervention. Questionnaires to gather students' feedback and participation about the use of digital media in reading education. 4. Data. The data collected in cloud pre-test to access students' reading comprehension prior to intervention. Post-test to evaluate student reading comprehension after intervention. Feedback to gather student opinions and suggestions about the effectiveness of digital media in reading education. By using these research tools and methods, this study aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the effectiveness of digital media in enhancing reading comprehension among grade 10 students at SMK Negeri 1 Stabat. Assessment tools. 1. Reading rubric. A reading rubric is used to assessment students' reading comprehension, vocabulary, and participation. Comprehension, ability to understand and interpret text. Vocabulary, ability to recognize and use vocabulary in context. Participation, level of assessment and participation in reading activities. 2. Observation. Observation is used to monitor student and teachers' behavior, assessment, and participation in reading activities. This provides a valuable insight into the dynamic of the classroom and the effectiveness of the digital media. Intervention. Pretest and post the result. Pretest and post the result are used to evaluate students' reading comprehension before and after the intervention.